Getting blue screen or black screen is one of the most common problems Microsoft operating system users usually face nowadays. And then in this tutorial, I will show you 6 powerful commands that you can run to fix these current blue screens or black screen, and then also prevent future blue screens from happening. Before doing so, you need to search for CMD and then you run it as an administrator. Then you can go ahead and then run the commands, of which I've provided in the description section. So the first command will be running is the DISM CheckHealth command. And then the DISM is the deployment image servicing and image managing. And then this allows network administrators to prepare and modify and repair system images. It also manages the entire image that contains the system files, driver files, and also not forgetting about the configuration files. So if you are getting blue screen or black screen, then you should know that either one or more of these files have been corrupted or have been infected. But we can run these commands to fix them all. So all you need to do is copy the first DISM command, which is the check health. And then don't forget that this check health only searches through your PC to scan for corrupted files. It doesn't repair. So you just have to click enter after pasting it in the command prompt window. Then you get to see that no component store corruption detected. That's in my case. In your case, you might find some corrupted files, but don't worry. You just need to go ahead and then continue with the second DISM command, which is the ScanHealth. You copy the ScanHealth command and then you paste it in the command prompt window. And then this one scans the system image or Windows image file and lets you know if there are any errors. If there are any errors or repairable files in the component store, you can go ahead and then fix them all. So as you can see here, deployment image servicing and management tool, and then the version of the Windows image file. So you have to wait for some few minutes. Sometimes it takes a while to complete the scan health. So you just have to wait for the scan to finish so that you can go ahead to see if there are any repairable files or not. Okay, so as you can see, no component store corruption detected. This means my Windows or system image files are working correctly. None of them have been corrupted. But in case you get to see that yours have been corrupted, you go ahead and then run the RestoreHealth command. You just have to copy the third command. You just copy and then you paste once more in the CMD window. And then this RestoreHealth CMD repairs all files that have been corrupted and can be the cause of future black or blue screens, or even the cause of the current blue screen that we are having. So the restore operation is done using the final Windows update. So let's say you've updated your Windows. The restore health will use the files of the new update that you have done to try and repair the corrupted files. So you just have to click enter after pasting. And as you can see here, deployment image servicing and management to the version of your Windows over there, the image version. So you just have to wait for a few seconds or minutes for the restore health operation to fix the corrupted files. So as you can see here, it is fixing all corrupted files if there are any. As you can see, the operation completed successfully. And as I already said, the restore operation is done using the final Windows update. That is the current Windows update that you have done or you have installed on your device. And if it doesn't work for you due to one or more reasons, and most of the time it doesn't work because more than one or two of the files, the system files or the configuration files have been corrupted. In this case, you would need a new Windows ISO or a new Windows image. to help in the fixing of those corrupted files. So you would have to download a new Windows 10, and then you can watch this video to download a new Windows 10 if you don't know how to. And then after downloading the Windows 10, you go ahead and then mount the ISO file. So here is my Windows 10. I'll just have to right click and then mount to any of the drives. I'll be mounting the image to drive H. As you can see here is my mounted file. After you are done mounting the Windows 10, you go ahead and then copy this DISM command. As you can see here, DISM/online cleanup image restore health source d source install.wim. As you can see here, the source here is letter D, but for the mounted ISO it is H. So you change the source name to the name of your mounted image. So I will change the letter D to H. After changing the name to the mounted image, and then you copy the command and then you paste it in the command prompt window. Sorry. After copying the command, you paste it in the command prompt window and then you click enter. As you can see, it is fixing all the corrupted files if there are any. So you would have to wait for some few minutes to fix those infected or corrupted files using the new Windows 10 image that you downloaded or you already have. So you have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, so the restore operation completed successfully, but this time it didn't use the current Windows updates. It used the image of the new installed new downloaded Windows that was mounted on the drive. And then this one is more effective since the files that were used were fresh files from the internet, not the one on your PC or already installed on your PC. So I prefer the second method, which is more effective. So after running this CMD, you go ahead and then move to the next command. Okay, so the next command is the sfc space /scannow. And then this command, it scans and repairs the protected system files, including the .dal files, as well as if there are any other corrupted files. So we just have to copy this command and then we paste it again in the CMD window, and then we click enter. And as you can see here, beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Sorry. So we wait for the verification to complete. Okay, so once the verification phase is complete, you will see here Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. For online repairs, details are included in the CBS blah 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 blah. Okay, so as you can see here, those files have been repaired by this command. That's all for this one. And then the next or the last command is the MRT. So for that one, to just copy the command and then you paste it in the CMD window once more. Then you click enter. This MRT command scans for malicious files or infected files. And then it's more like the Windows Defender. You get this interface after inputting the MRT in the command prompt window. As you can see, Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So it scans for infected files or malicious files on your PC and then fix or repairs and removes them all. So as you can see, this tool is not a replacement for an antivirus product and so on. So you just have to click next and you get to see you have an option to choose the type of scan you want. the quick scan, full scan, and the customized scan. You can choose to scan the entire system by choosing the full scan, or make a customized scan by selecting the content and the specified folder that you want this malicious software remover to scan. Or you can go for the quick scan. So I'll just go for the quick scan and then choose next. As you can see, it is scanning through my PC for infected files. But for tutorial purpose, I will just have to close it because I'm demonstrating it. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. And I also recommend that you run these scans at least once a month to ensure that you don't encounter or get any future blue or black screens. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you found it to be useful, don't forget to like this video and then subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. See you next time.